dahilan lang. I want you to what? I want you to enjoy.
To be alive.
Be alive. Of course you're alive. I want you to enjoy. Just like dubbing. Dubbing should be fun. Alright? Walang pressure dapat. Kung may pressure man, coming from a director na sobrang strict, or sobrang straight, or sobrang ano, yun lang. Pero the dubbing itself, the actual doing it should be fun. Alright? Just like acting. Or just like doing your job in your offices. You have to enjoy life. Alright? So, enjoy. Alright? So while waiting, hindi natin sila hintayin. So, darating pa ba sila?
Hindi natin alam.
Hindi natin alam. So, kasi baka pag dumiretso tayo, dumating sila, mag-miss nila yung iba. So, diretso na natin. Okay. Sino naka-experience na ng dubbing before or similar activity like dubbing? Wala? Shell?
Ibang experience.
Diyos?
Hindi ko po kasi masasabi kung grabe ito eh. Kasi
Pero,
yung mga simple voice-over lang po siguro.
ano, commercial?
Hindi po, sa school po.
Yun. Like ano? Like,
Yung kasi ginagawa po namin, yung buka po kami ng camera,
and then,
tapos parang pinasplice na lang po namin yung,
tapos you put,
nire-record po namin sa camera yung voice, tapos pinasplice po namin through software. Mga short film lang po noon na ginagawa po.
okay. And then, pinapatong ninyo.
Pinapatong lang po namin.
Okay. And this was for fun.
Yes po, yung mga
See?
projects po namin.
Sabi ko sa inyo. And Don?
Recording or gano'n?
Ano?
Siguro wala eh. Ano rin?
Meron ba sa'yo naging member ng choir or wala? Ikaw? Nag-drums ka? Talaga? Alright. Rena? Wala. Si Mikay? Lagi?
Ano lang, school project namin.
Ganun din.
Flash animation.
That's all for fun. How about you, Claire?
School contest.
School contest?
For example, po yung sa Bayan Picas.
Rhetorical, mga ganun. Okay. That's nice. Ganda yan. Tuloy niya, ha? Okay. In everyday life, ganun yung ginagawa natin. Like, pagising mo sa umaga, gigisingin ka ng nanay mo. Sabihin sa'yo, Ton, gumising ka na. Atin ka pa ng workshop ng Creative Voices. Or si Rochelle. Si Rochelle, minsan, gising siya, pero dadabog. Ginagawa niya, yung sinabi ng mother niya, ulitin niya. Rochelle, gumising ka na! Gumising ka na. That's dubbing. Ha? Hindi niya lang.